Hey guys, so I'm finally going to teach you guys how to do the starter for your sourdough. So the first thing you're going to need is a glass jar with a lid, a spatula, either wooden or silicone like I have here, some room temperature filtered water, bread flour or any kind of flour that you have, and a measuring cup. Okay, so you're going to start off with 1 cup of flour. This is the only time you're going to need an actual whole cup of flour. Then you're going to add 1/2 cup of room temperature water. Make sure it's room temperature. I don't know why, but just follow directions, okay? Then you're going to mix this very freaking well. Mix, mix, mix. At this point, you should have this really thick consistency, and this is not the consistency you want. So slowly, you're going to add water till you get to the consistency of like a thick pancake batter, almost like a muffin batter. But this is the consistency that you guys want to see. Okay, now you're going to want to close it up, but don't close it up all the way because you still want air to hit it. Okay, I forgot to mention this. You're going to need a marker or a rubber band just so that you can track how far your starter is rising. It took me a million years to say that. Okay, it's day 2 and we have something going on here. So we have bubbles. You want to see bubbles, but if you don't have bubbles right away, it's okay. It's only the second day. This part always trips me out because it's like, what the heck? But yes, you have to throw away half of your batter every single day. This time you're going to grab 1/2 cup of flour and mix it in there and do the same thing, mix, 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 and then slowly add in your water so you have the same consistency as you did the first day, which should be a thick pancake consistency just like this. You're going to semi-close it again for 24 hours. And look what happened on day 2 already. You know the starter is going to be bomb because it's already alive. All right, guys. So this is day 3. This is how it's looking. That doesn't necessarily mean that yours is going to look this way. I had a lot of action. I think it's because it's warmer in my house. So if yours doesn't look this way, don't freak out. Okay, now I'm just going to give it a quick mix. And you guessed it, I'm going to just discard about half of the batter once again. Okay, this is what we're looking like now. I'm just giving it a quick mix and I'm doing the same thing, adding 1/2 cup of flour and then slowly incorporating my water. Remember, slowly. If you add too much water, you can go ahead and add a little bit more flour till you get the consistency that, we've been getting for the last 3 days, which is the thick pancake consistency. You guys are going to be sick of me by the end of this video. If you guys see here, I put a paper plate just so that when it spills over, it doesn't go all over my countertops. But same thing, you're going to close up the lid, but not all the way so that air can get in it and wait till the next day. Oh yeah, and do not forget to mark it. Okay guys, this is day 4 and we definitely already have action. I stopped at day 5 because look at this already. I am so ready to bake this bread. So stay tuned for the next part.